Today I'll show how to buy shares of Avantium NV, a company focused on renewable chemistry and plant-based polymers. Avantium NV trades on Euronext under the ticker AVTX.NV. This is an educational guide and not financial advice. To buy shares, you need a broker. I'll use eToro as an example to demonstrate the workflow. After registering, you must verify your account, typically with an ID document, and add funds before you can place orders. Use the platform search bar and type the ticker AVTX.NV to find Avantium NV on Euronext. Make sure you select the correct listing to locate the exact share you want. On the stock page, you'll see basic company information and a price chart for Avantium NV. Double-check the company profile and the AVTX.NV ticker to confirm it's the right asset. To invest, click the Invest or Trade button, enter the amount you want to allocate, then review the order details carefully before confirming. If the market is closed, the order may be queued or executed at market open. And if funds are insufficient, the platform will prompt you to add money first. Once executed, your Avantium NV position will appear in your portfolio where you can monitor it. A link to eToro is in the description if you want to follow the same steps.